Yo, what's up guys? Kyle here. Dylan asked me to just shoot a quick little video for you guys and be your guys' host today. As you can see, I'm in my car. And I just want to give 5 tips for Uber Eats for some new drivers. But before I get into the video, I want you guys to click that like button. And if you want to get notified when new videos come out, go ahead and just click that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So, tip number 1, I would say, is have a financial goal every week that you set out towards. Just having that and having a clear picture in mind, because I know if you're driving Uber Eats, you're doing this to get some extra cash, and maybe you're an entrepreneur and you're using it to fund some other things. So have an exact number in mind could be very helpful. 2, a lot of times you might find customers who maybe forgot something, or maybe they don't get their napkins or their utensils. So a few things I would do just before leaving is grab extra napkins, grab extra straws, grab extra sauces, because sometimes customers forget about sauce and they don't end up having it. Or it's a good rule of thumb to just be over prepared than under prepared. 3, I would just look into knowing when are the peak times in your city. So one of the best times to drive, typically it's like lunch hour. So I would look into like 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Where you live, and then maybe around dinner, maybe like 7 or 8 p.m. Those would be my suggestions. I mean, if you can only work at a certain time, then you could totally make do either way. Tip number 4 would just give them a text when you're on the way. Let them know when you're on your way. Tip number 5, like, just be joyful. Do things that spark joy. What's the point of doing these things if we're not gonna have fun doing it, if we're not gonna have joy? So turn on your favorite music, turn on your favorite podcast, whatever it is that you like to listen to on the way. And that energy is really infectious. So could also probably lead to more tips, because you're bringing them awesome energy, even more than just food. So that's my quick little video for you guys. Oh, and by the way, if you want me to come back as a host, if you like these videos, if you like seeing me here, let me know in the comments. If you guys have any questions, leave it down in the comments below. And if you're not subscribed, make sure to click that subscribe button and smash it. All right, guys, talk to you soon.